First call of the fucking day.
I think that you got the wrong impression about me. I think in all fairness, I should explain to you exactly what it is that I do.
Look, I've been doing laundries for a long time. My partner and I have scouted this store. We've been inside and out more than once. We look on a Sunday, we see during the week how it looks.
Right.
It's just a mess, you know, and look.
No, I know. The laundromat has its issues. The guy has issues. But he's you know, he's in the process of the new owner taking over soon. So, are you interested in the laundromat?
Yes. Your operator, your tenant, the guy who's paying you rent has sold the store. Is that what you're saying?
He's in the process of selling it now.
Okay. Well, let me, if I could, let me be your advocate for 2 seconds. I don't know how much of that you heard with the phone clicking in and out, but I own commercial properties as well. What you want here is a very good long-term tenant. You don't frequent laundromats. That's a guess. I'm sure I'm right. I don't frequent laundromats. And the problem with operators, hopefully your new guy who's buying this place knows what the hell he's doing. What do I mean?
Yeah.
If he doesn't replace this equipment, Mario, he's dead.
No, he's going to be replacing the equipment.
Okay.
And he's going to be doing this. Are you interested in the spot? The one, is that what you know, just tell me what you want. So
I want to sign a long-term lease with you, and I want to retool the store and spend a few $100,000 on washers and dryers.
That's what he wants to do.
But why are you allowing your tenant to become the broker in this deal? Why allow the tenant to make the decisions? If the new guy doesn't know what he's doing and he doesn't have several stores.
The new guy. The new guy is, he's good. I'm good with him.
Okay.
He's good. I already spoke to him. But if you're interested, I mean, my concern is the rent. How much rent can you pay?
As little as possible?
Yeah.
Because I know what I'm doing.
$2,000.
Say again?
Right now it's at $2,000.
What's the square footage?
About 1440, 1450.
So it's a very small store,
Right.
which makes it hard to profit, but it's not impossible. Right. Now, if it's 2K, is that gross? Or is that a triple net lease? Is that all in?
No, 3,000, and he's paying any increase in the real estate taxes. So he doesn't pay real estate taxes, only an increase.
Normal increases. Let me ask one. Look, I'm not an inquisitive guy. It's not that I don't care about this new tenant, new possible operator. I care about you, honestly. Does this guy have other laundries?
Yeah, he does.
Okay. Then right there and then, he knows what he's doing. What I want to do.
Well, he really wants to start going crazy for it. He thinks it's a good opportunity.
That's stupid. You know that.
What?
Let's talk landlord to landlord. That's idiocy. He's crazy for the store. You lease it to him. He might not know what he's doing. This is a very small store. I'm not in love with 1,400 square foot stores, even in Bayonne.
All right.
I could take it or leave it. Till I start bleeding ink and money, it doesn't matter to me. This is going to cost me.
One thing. Is it something for you to spend that type of rent or no?
Yeah, we're close. Sure.
Yeah.
But I'm going to look for rent. Mario, I'm going to look for rent abatement. I'm going to look for TI on some things, I'm sure. The roof is leaking. I can see that. Your previous operator. Yeah, there's leaks in the ceiling tile. We take lots of pictures.
Maybe from the air conditioner or something.
This guy needs to come in and spend. Look, why am I calling you? Do you know?
You're trying to make a deal on the laundromat to take over for a long-term lease and pay little rent.
But why? So why do I care about this spot?
I don't know.
Excellent.
Because you know why? Because you can't build a new laundromat in Bayonne without paying hookup fee type.
Good man. The one word is this: infrastructure. Look, I'm Danny D'Angelo, Paisan. Okay, I grew up in Brooklyn. We understand each other. Make the deal with this guy. If something falls through, let me know, because I don't get into bidding wars. Period. I'm not interested.
No. I mean, just that's. But let me ask you a question. He's paying this guy for this.
Your current operator?
Yeah, he's paying him for this.
He's buying the laundromat. See, that's where I differ as well. No way.
Yeah.
I'll make a dozen calls today, Mario. One of the landlords will say, "Look, I like the cut of your jib. I like your style. Let's do business. This is what I do." What's he paying for it?
He's paying. It's between him and the guy.
Okay,
I don't know.
Good.
So, I mean,
Mario. You got a schmuck for a future tenant. Why would he pay for it?
Because of the structure.
Okay.
in the business. It's already open. Whatever he wants to pay for, he pays for. Let me ask you a question. If it falls through, what kind of rent can you pay? And if without paying, if you didn't have to pay for the sale, and I just rent the spot.
I prefer 80 cents a square foot. I know it's not going to happen in Bayonne, especially when you have another guy on the hook, especially when you have your current operator. Look, let me look into my crystal ball. I know none of this, but I'm guessing. Your operator hasn't done well.
What do you think about it?
Mario, you got to let me talk. 5 minutes.
Go ahead.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Your current operator hasn't done well for a long time. He's been trying to sell the place for a while.
No, not really.
This is typically what happens. He finally finds a guy, a buyer. The difference between your potential future tenant and I intend to pay you a commensurate rate of rent on time, every time, for 15 years.
Just give me the number, Manny. Just give me the number.
$1 a square foot. I can start at $1,400 and go from there.
A month?
Of course. No, a year.
Oh, no.
You're getting what, $14 a square foot at $2,000 a month?
I'm getting $3,000 a month.
You said two.
No, 3,000. I don't know where you got two from.
Okay.
3,000 a month. It's about $25 a square foot a year.
Right. So let me say this. What we can do is $1 a square foot. Why? Because it's a laundromat. And I'll happily explain. It's not time to say, oh, F you, goodbye, click.
I'm going to take half the rent that I'm getting now. You won't even be able to pay the real estate tax. The real estate tax is $12,000 on the book.
You're not getting the rent now because your current operator's a schmuck. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's got old equipment.
Danny, listen, I got to go. When you're ready to really talk good numbers, let me know.
What's your email address?
Just call me first before you email me.
I just did.
Just call me first.
I don't have a mailing list, bro.
Okay, so I'm not taking $1,400 a month. That's insane. By tax,
do you think I'm calling you to jerk you off? I'm calling you to make a deal. You've got a guy on the hook.
$1,400 a month.
Let's talk facts. Just facts. I have to start at.
Danny, no offense. No offense. You're wasting my time.
No offense.
$1,400 a month.
Yeah, I'm wasting your time.
I get $1,800 for a square, 500 square feet.
You're talking about rate of rent in Bayonne. You're not talking about a laundromat.
It's $25. It's $25 a square foot.
We're not arguing.
Okay.
We're not arguing. This guy falls through. You're going to grapple for my number or find an email. Text me your email address.
You just call me with a good number.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even call you for that number. Waste my time.
You're wasting mine. Bye-bye.
You think you got the point?
What this guy wants is tenants who he can run roughshod over.
That's right.
He's got a guy who's a schmuck because he's willing to buy the laundromat.
Yep.
And we are not.
Absolutely not.
Which makes us the opposite, which makes you the opposite, which makes you an intelligent, thinking business person who has the wherewithal and the forward thinking to understand, no, there is no price I'm willing to pay for this store.
Definitely not.
And every time he said, well, I'm collecting, no, you're not. He's not collecting that. As always, and look, that's a fun, heated little back and forth. New Yorkers, the way we do, New York Italians, wonderful. My accent comes back a little bit when I get mad or when I'm arguing, but this is an argument. That's what a negotiation is.
Yep.
And someone's going to win. There is no win-win. There's no such thing. Get them to say no.
Mm-hmm.
Moving forward, your homework on this store is to keep a close physical eye on it.
Okay.
Something small changes, you let me know. We call Mario back. He answered the phone. He talked.
Yeah.
We didn't leave a message. We didn't wait for a return call. There's always good, bad, and indifference in these calls.
That's right.
I'm not going to make YouTube videos leaving messages all day. No one wants to see that. But that's the preponderance of what we do.
That's right.
A little thing that might change, the hours of operation might change. All of a sudden, they're closing the doors at 4 p.m. We call him back. Why? Because now
Handy little thing. Yep.
now we've got a door opening conversation. Hey, Mario, it's Danny. Yeah. The fact that he threatens to hang up on you, that's why I hung up on him.
Yeah.
I order you to be quiet.
Order? Who does he think he is?
The psychology of landlords, what is it? What are we at the fucking Renaissance Festival?
I'm your king.
Well, I didn't vote for you.
Yes, me lord. Drippings for the poor, me lord.
Who does that make us?
Bloody peasant! Oh, what a giveaway. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, eh? That's what I'm on about. Did you see him repressing me?
A year or two from now, you're going to see a banner that says under new management, and then the equipment doesn't change, and suddenly the change machine is broken like it is now. We call Mario back.
That's right.
Told you the guy's a schmuck. What's the
It'll
price?
be less than a year, man.
50,000, 100, 150. How much did he spend on the store? We don't know. I did ask. He said, I don't know. It's between the tenants. You're right.
Yeah.
But anyone willing to pay for the store is a schmuck.
Yeah, I don't understand people's mentality on this. Hey, let me buy this piece of shit store. Like, I'm not buying anything, and then I have to pay exorbitant
How did
rent.
he describe his new potential tenant? How did he describe him?
He said that he'd owned other laundries and that he knew what he was doing.
No. The emotion.
Oh, he felt good about it.
No. This is why we take notes as it's happening. He said he's crazy about it.
Crazy about him. All right, let me put that in.
Look, I have a mind like a steel trap. I remember what I paid for every comic book in high school when I was supposed to be buying lunch. When it comes to money, and this stuff's always in the forefront of my mind, note-taking is really important.
Yeah.
Because he thinks that his new potential tenant is smart in buying it, and he also knows that the guy is crazy about it. We're not. Proof positive. This is the way you start this negotiation. Anything changes, big or small, keep this on the list.
All right. This will be an easy one to watch.
That is why I'm your king.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.